In this WP Genie review, I am going to be showing you an AI virtual assistant that is claiming that it can do all of your marketing tasks and automate it. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if WP Genie is worth your time. And I'm also going to be showing you a complete tutorial of WP Genie later in the video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new website software and courses. So if you want to get WP Genie at any time during this video, make sure you guys click the second link down in the description, which can give you my exclusive bonuses which you're going to be getting in the members area right inside Warrior Plus. So now let me show you my exclusive bonuses. So you have to note this, that all the bonuses will be delivered in the members area inside Warrior Plus. So the first bonus number 1 is the AI Engine Pro. Then the second bonus is WowBot. Then comes WP Genie Service Website Builder. Then Service Agency Management System. Then AI Kit. Then comes AI Mailer. Then comes Soci Chatpian. Then comes SMM Matrix, then comes AI Content Generator Platform. So you're going to be getting a total of 9 bonuses if you end up buying through my link. Now let's get back to the sales page. So it says here, world's first WordPress AI virtual assistant creates self-updating WordPress sites, automates all of your marketing tasks and builds real business in few clicks. So this AI virtual assistant is claiming that it can do all of your marketing tasks and it can also build you this real-time business in just a few clicks. So let's have a look at what the sales page has got to say. So it is 16 times more powerful than ChatGPT, so that's a pretty big thing. And it is also 6x faster at creating websites, funnels, apps, voiceovers, videos, content graphics, ebooks, ad copies, business plans, blogs, high converting ads, audios, chatbots, art, images, translation and more. So WP Genie can create all of this pretty faster than most of the other apps. Now if you scroll a little bit down, you can see the meme coin that has created more than $50 million using the power of AI. So it started with an initial budget of only $69, and using the power of AI, the meme coin was generated, and this meme coin was called Turbo. So Turbo started with just $69 and now it has a market capitalization of almost $50 million. So you can use WP Genie to make these meme coins as well. To understand this a little better, I'm going to be showing you a complete tutorial on WP Genie. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's have a look at the price of WP Genie. So you have to scroll all the way down till here. So you can see all of these features right over here, and the price of WP Genie is only $17. So with $17 you can get the whole software, and you can add this upgrade if you want, which is gonna cost you $9.95. You can add it if you want. If you're not adding it, it is only gonna cost you $17. Now let me show you a trick in which you can get it much cheaper. So all you have to do is reload the page, and what you have to do is move your cursor like you're about to close the tab. So you'll get a pop-up like this in which you will get a $3 discount. So $17 minus $3 is gonna be only $14. So $14 is all you have to pay in order to access WP Genie. Now let's jump into the tutorial, and after you guys watch the tutorial, I'm going to be jumping into the different OTOs and upgrade. Sorry, in order to get the $3 discount, you have to use this coupon code while you're checking out. Now let's jump into the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial of WP Genie. Now let's jump into the different OTOs and upgrade. So it has got a total of 9 upgrade, and the first upgrade is the unlimited version. It is gonna cost you $67, but you can get a discount and get $20 off, which is only $47. So after you buy WP Genie, which is gonna cost you $17, and after the discount you get $14. So the same formula you have to use in all of these websites in order to get this in order to get this discount. So you can get it only for $47 if you do what I just said before. And the second OTO is the done for you. The third OTO is automation. Then comes the income maximizer. Then comes the limitless buyer traffic. Then comes the cloned affiliate profits. Then comes mobile payday. Then reseller. Then done for you profit sale. So you can upgrade the OTOs based on your needs. So based on your features, based on your needs, you guys can upgrade it. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review of WP Genie. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.